The Ford Fast, a moniker given to railroad service provided in the 1970s and 80s by the railroads moving auto parts for the Ford Motor Company. Two well-known service lanes were to the Milpitas, California and St. Paul, Minnesota assembly plants. FAST was actually an acronym for Ford Auto Service Train. Here we see the St. Paul train. The Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton Railroad originated the train. Auto part shipments were gathered from Detroit area plants such as River Rouge and Woodhaven, and the train originated at their Flat Rock yard. A St. Paul block was made, and this was delivered to the Norfolk and Western at the Delta, Ohio connection. The N&W moved the traffic to Chicago, delivering it to the Milwaukee Road, who made the same morning connection and moved it to St. Paul. Other traffic was put in the train to fill it out.